Hey guys, so today we're going to take a look at a new product that might be a really simple solution to your water dispenser, faucet, water container needs for your camping trip. So let's open it up and give it a shot. So this product is by FrizzLife. It's a portable electric water filter pitcher. And that's a lot in one word, but if you look at it, the dispenser is up high. So most water dispensers, it's down low and you have to elevate your water container. But this has an electric water pump that's up high and it's got two water filters. So let's give it a shot. Flush the water filter first. That's always a good idea. Really nice and compact. Comes in this all-in-one unit. Got a handle for you to take it around. Let's open it up. All right. Looks like it comes with a sponge for you to clean it up and a USB charger. Manual. All right. So if you look up top, you can see this is the two filters. All right. There you go. There's the water filter, and it just goes in there like that. Pretty easy to remove. The lock, and there's a second one right there. And here's your USB charging port. And you could reset the water filter so you know when you last replaced it. So if it's good or bad, there's two of them. Okay. Here's the water dispenser. You see how it sits up high. It's not one of those water dispensers that just uses gravity, so it has to be down here and you have to elevate your water container. This water container can go on the counter wherever you're at and you have your stuff underneath. So that's going to be really handy. Let's see. Okay, so here's the tube that goes down, gets the water. Fits inside like that. Cap that up. Cap that up. All right. So let's give it a shot. So let's put some water in it, and we're going to drain. We're going to flush it first, like the instruction says, and then we'll give it a shot. Okay, so this is 16 cups, 4.2 liters. So that's a little bit bigger than a gallon. I got a gallon right here. And of course, it's going to not fill up because some of that space is taken up by the water filter and this equipment. Okay, put on everything and we'll give it a shot. All right, so it says flush mode. Touch that for 4 seconds and discard 2 to 3 tanks. So let's do that. Let's move it to the edge. All right, we're just going to flush it first, but you could see there's an easy water dispenser, and after we flush it out, we'll set it up and give it a shot. All right, so I flushed this out. So let's give it a test run. It's empty now because I flushed it all out. Again, it holds 4.2 liters, and this is only a gallon. So it holds more than this. All right, so let's try the dispenser. Just a light touch. If you leave your finger on it for 4 seconds, it'll go into flushing mode. But just a light touch. Yeah, that's pretty nice. You don't have to press it hard or anything like that. Okay, very nice. And you can see it actually pours pretty fast. It's not too fast, but not too slow either. You know, it's not just a drip. Got your water in there, and you can see how convenient this is. You could just add more water, and it stores really easy. And what you can also do is if you pair it with some kind of collapsible container or something like this, you can have a really easy water basin, a little mini sink or something like that as you go along. I think that's pretty cool. Wash your hands, and when you're done, you just throw this out. Not bad. I think it's pretty nice. Another nice thing is because it's got such a big opening and that everything comes out. You know, it makes cleaning it really easy. They give you a little scrub thing if you want to use that. But yeah, if you just take out the water filter, it's super easy to clean. It's the USB port. Plug it in and you recharge it right here. Just plug that in and recharge it. Pretty cool. I think it's really easy. So this might be that easy solution a lot of you guys are looking for. You don't need to have one of those traditional water dispensers where you have to elevate your water, that the pump is up high. Oops, I just touched it. Don't want it to go off again. Um, you got your water dispenser, and if you want to use a little basin, you could have a little mini sink for yourself. Add more water up top as you need it. And it comes in this self-contained, really easy unit. I think it's pretty cool. And I think it might be the easy solution that a lot of people are looking for.